Sa video na to, tuturuan ko kayo on how to naturally attract and make her obsessed with you. Okay? Ang keyword dito is naturally. Ibig sabihin, wala tayong gagamitin magic, walang kadaya-daya, walang manipulation tactics or dark psychology tactics. So first, ano ba yung mga ginagawa ng guys? Alright? Ano ba yung mga ginagawa madalas ng mga lalaki in order for them to attract girls or to attract women? So, mag-start tayo sa ligaw method. So, yung traditional ligaw method. So, ano ba ginagawa when you are doing ligaw? Usually, binibigyan ng flowers, bibigay tayo ng gifts, hatid sundo, hinaharana, nagsusulat ng love letters, minsan nagpapautang pa, doing favors, hatid sundo, yung kunwari yung papahatid sa airport, mga ganyan. Etong mga tong ginagawa na to is ginagawa natin para mapakita natin nagbibigay tayo ng efforts. Alright? Kasi when we are doing efforts for a girl, parang sinisignal natin na I'm nice and safe. Okay? So, sinisignal natin na secured sila sa atin. Pinapatunayan natin na nice naman ako, hindi kita sasaktan, safe ka sa akin, okay? However, ito yung number one mistake that most guys think. Akala nila, efforts is equals to attraction. So, akala nila, the more effort they give, the more effort na ibigay nila, the more na flowers, the more gifts, the more hatid sando, the more na harana, the more na love letters, the more na pautang, the more na doing favors. Okay? The more efforts ang ibigay nila is magugustuhan sila ng girl. Kahit at the first place, walang gusto sa kanila. So, usually ito yung sinasabi, effortan mo lang. Ayan, mapapasugot mo din yan. Antayin mo lang, magugustuhan ka rin yan. Pakita mo lang na ma-efforts ka. Now, akala natin totoo yun because sa atin, yun yung nag-work. Kumbaga, the more effort na ibigay sa atin ng babae, the more na tayong na-attract sa kanya. Kaya di mo ba alam na ngitian ka lang ng babae? Ito, konting effort lang, ngitian ka lang ng babae, tingnan ka lang sa mata ng babae, na-attract ka na kaagad. Suportahan ka lang niya, irespeto ka lang niya, ipagluto ka lang niya, bigyan ka lang ng gifts. Di ba parang na-attract na tayo agad? Because ganun tayo. Effort, the more efforts, kumbaga mag-show up lang yung babae sa date ng maganda, na-attract na tayo. Kumbaga the more effort they do, is mas na-attract tayo. Kasi yun tayo eh. As men, iisa lang. Effort equals attraction. Pero sa female, very complex. Okay? Hindi lang sila simpleng effort is equals to attraction. Mas complex talaga yun sa kanila. However, pinasimple ko to. Pinasimple ko in a way na, kasi diba tayong mga lalaki is logical tayo eh. So, pinasimple ko in a way na maiintindihan mo to logically. So, that's why gumawa ako ng tinatawag na truth table. Ito na, gumamit na tayo ng mga boolean. Mga truth table. So, kung ikaw ay engineer, electrical engineer, or computer engineering kasi ako dati, isa to sa naging subject namin. So, about truth tables, kumbaga, ginagamit to for logic. Tinatawag nating truth table. Alright? So, female, hindi lang sila basta efforts equals attraction. Hindi sila equals. It should be attraction and efforts. Okay? Security again. Yung efforts natin, signal yan ng I'm nice and safe. Kumbaga, security. Alright? So, kaya nilagay ko dito, security. So, sa kanila, hindi effort equals attraction. It should be attraction and security. Okay? So, dito sa baba, ito yung table natin. So, ito end table yan. Ito yung columns, attraction, security, and the output. 0 means false. 1 means true or present. So, if 0 attraction, meaning, hindi sila nakakaramdam ng sexual attraction with you. And also, hindi nila feel safe sila with you. 0. Okay? Security, 0. So, before tayo mag-jump dito pala, attraction, ito. Kaya, importante na attraction muna before security. It's because yung attraction is what makes them choose you. Okay? They need to be attracted to you before they choose you. Kaya dapat 1 yan. If 0 attraction, ibig sabihin, they won't choose you. Hindi ka nila pipiliin. When it comes to security, this one, ito yung magde-decide kung mag-stay sila sa'yo if they want to be around you. Okay? If they will stay with you. So, security yan. Stay. So, pag 0, ibig sabihin, 0 attraction. Pag 0, 0 security. So, same lang. If 0 attraction or 0, wala silang nararamdamang attraction sa'yo, sexual attraction, and they do not feel safe around you, Ang output na yan is isa kang ghost. Okay, ghost, ibig sabihin invisible. Isa ka lang NPC sa kanila. Hindi ka nila nakikita. Wala lang. You're just existing. Wala silang nararamdaman sa'yo. But, ito, usually, nandito yung mga guys. If meron silang zero attraction with you, zero sexual attraction, pero they feel safe around you, they feel secured around you, mapupunta ka sa tinatawag nating friend zone. Okay, kaya tinawag kong clown kasi 'di ba, friends are just there to entertain us, kumbaga to make us feel better. And yun naman yung ginagawa ng clown. Wala na kasi ibang icon pero yan yung naisip kong ilagay, clown. So they're not attracted with you. They're not sexually attracted with you. Ayan, zero yung attraction, but they feel safe around you. So every time, for example, meron silang bad boy. So, meron silang bad boy every time na sinasaktan sila ng bad boy, sa'yo sila pupunta. It's because, yun nga, mas safe sa'yo. Pero never ka nilang pipiliin kasi they're not attracted with you. Yeah, no? They will not choose you because zero yung attraction. But they will hang out, they will stay around, they will keep you there. Kumbaga, ilalagay ka nila sa friend zone. They want you to stay in their life. It's because you give them security. Pero, again, huwag kang matutuwa doon kasi nga, they won't choose you. Hindi ka naman nila pipiliin kasi they're not attracted to you at the first place. So, kaya ka rin napupunta sa friend zone, it's because, wala, they're just not sexually attracted with you. So, kaya friends lang kayo. Ayan, pasahin nyo na lang yung isa't isa, ganyan. Entertainer ka lang sa buhay niya. And tuwing malungkot siya, pupunta lang siya sa'yo para pasahin siya, pero di ka niya pinipili as a sexual partner. So, next, if mataas yung sexual attraction niya sa'yo, merong attraction, pero she doesn't feel safe around you, yun yung tinatawag nating bad boy. Okay? Again, kaya mas pinipili ng mga babae yung bad boy kasi nga may attraction. Again, they will choose if they are attracted to you. So that's why mas pinipili nila yung bad boy, ito, bad boy, kesa sa nice guy, kahit na si nice guy is safe and yung bad boy ay hindi, kahit alam nilang lolokohin sila, kahit alam nilang babaero yan. It's because attracted sila doon. Again, they want to choose. They are choosing if they are attracted to you. So that's why mas pipiliin nila yung bad boy kaysa sa nice guy, sa friend. However, if hindi nila feel na safe sila, aalis lang din sila sa relationship. Kumbaga, pipiliin lang nila, tatry nila, ganyan, pero never sila magkakaroon ng good relationship. Kumbaga, you can't make a woman stay if hindi nila na-feel na secured sila sa'yo. Kaya, security is stay. Okay? So, ang pinaka-gusto nila, ang pinaka-fantasy nila is to find a guy na sexually attracted sila and also will make them feel safe. Kaya ito ikaw. Ito yung gusto kong mangyari sa atin. Okay? I want you to be her king. Kumbaga, she is attracted to you and also she feels safe around you. So, ibig sabihin lang nun is attraction is the key. Kumbaga, ito talaga yung una mo dapat gagawin. And security is the lock. This will make her stay. Okay, this will make her obsessed. Kumbaga, ito yung maglalak. Ito yung maglalak in. Attraction will open the door. Security will lock her in. So that's why we want to attract them first. Basically, make them choose you. Kasi again, if inuna mo yung security, walang attraction, dito ka mapupunta. Friend zone, clown. We want to attract first. We want to make them choose you first. Okay? Before you showcase your security, if pinili ka nila, if they are attracted to you, then tsaka lang natin i-showcase yung pagiging nice natin, tsaka lang tayo mag-e-effort, yung maganyan. Kumbaga, we are choosing women who are choosing us. Kumbaga, ibibigay lang natin to if pinipili lang rin natin sila. Kasi again, these are investments. Gumagastos tayo ng time, energy, and money. Kumbaga, nag-i-invest tayo ng time, energy, and money natin. That's our valuable assets. Kumbaga, assets natin yun, pinaghirapan natin yun. So, i-showcase lang natin yun once we attracted them first. So, once they are attracted to you, and you showcase that they are safe around you, that will make them wanna lock you down. Kasi for me, it's the girl's job to lock a man down. Kumbaga, kailangan ko na siyang ipakommit sa isang relationship. Kailangan mapakommit ko na siya sa akin kasi baka mapunta pa sa iba. Kasi sayang to eh, very rare. Again, very rare yung magkaroon ng gantong lalaki, yung mataas yung sexual attraction and also makes them feel safe. Okay, ang marami ngayon is these guys. Okay? Maraming nice guys ngayon. So, alam ko kasi isa rin ako sa naging ganyan dati. Also, naging ganito rin ako, naging bad boy din ako. And right now, I'm working my way towards this one. And I'm doing this video para para malaman, ma-share din sa inyo kung paano nyo rin siya gagawin. Ngayon, alam na natin, itong truth table, kung bakit ka napupunta sa friend zone, kung bakit gusto nila ng bad boy, and ano yung goal natin na maging. Kung ang goal natin is to attract them first, ano ba yung dahilan kung bakit pipiliin ka nila? So, dito, welcome to Attraction 101. So, sa attraction, again, so isa-isay natin. So, ito muna. I-discuss muna natin yung attraction before yung security. Security mamaya kasi attraction is, ito muna talaga yung pinaka-importanting step. Kasi again, attraction is the key. So, here, sa attraction, again, 0 or 1 lang din yan. So, it's either they choose you or not. So, 0 or 1. Joms, sino ba yung mga pinipili nila? Who did they choose? So, first, tingnan muna natin yung mga patterns. So, kapag nanonood ba kayo ng mga movie or nagbabasa kayo ng mga storya na, alam mo yun, stories na, kung papansin niyo yung mga rom-com, yung mga media na ginawa for feminine consumption, it's always yung king nagkakagusto sa alipin na babae, yung prince, nagkakagustuhan yung prince, tsaka yung mermaid. Tayo na mermaid, di ba? Little Mermaid. Yung CEO, magkakagusto sa secretary and vice versa, magkakagustuhan silang dalawa. Yung doctor, magkakagusto sa nurse. Yung pilot, magkakagusto sa flight attendant. Ayan, kasi kakapanood ko lang ng movie ni John Lloyd tsaka ni Jenny Mercado. Nakalimutan ko yung title, pero yun basically yung plot. And then, meron pa yung 365 days. Yung biktima yung babae, victim. Pero nagkagusto siya sa kidnapper niya. Look at that shit, man. So, merong pattern. So, ano ba yung pattern na yun? So, ang pattern na nakikita ko dito is women always want to date up. Okay? They're looking for men who can lead them. Again, these are leaders. Female just want to be led. Gusto nila ng leader. Di ba kayo nagtataka, usually sinasabi ng babae, gusto ko na lang magpa-baby, gusto ko na lang maging princess, gusto ko na lang magpaganda. Okay, they're looking for a man who can lead them. Okay? That's the pattern. So, they always want to date up. So, female choose who's the strongest option. They feel na strongest option for them. Kaya, they always want to date up. Never ako nakakita na sold out or never ako nakakita ng story na baliktad. Okay, alipin yung lalaki, tapos queen yung babae, tapos pipiliin niya yung alipin na lalaki kaysa sa king. Wala akong nakitang successful story na gano'n, na bumenta, naging blockbuster. Pag-usapan natin yung natural selection. Again, they choose. So, sino ba yung sineselect nila? So, according to natural selection, so nilagyan ko lang ng women's, okay, female favors certain characteristics that enhance their ability to survive and reproduce in their specific environment. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, they're choosing who's the strongest option for their specific environment. So, ibig sabihin ba nito, Joms, kailangan ko ba maging pinakamalakas o pinakapogi, pinakamayaman na lalaki sa buong mundo? So, no. You just need to be her best option sa specific environment or situation niya. Ngayon, kailangan mo lang maging best, strongest option doon sa network niya, doon sa environment niya, doon sa mga nagiging options niya. Kailangan ikaw yung makita niyang strongest option with that one. So, hindi mo kailangan maging pinaka-pogi, pinaka-mayaman sa buong mundo, no? Or pinaka-strong sa mundo. You just need to be the strongest among her options. So, paano mo masasabing strongest ka? Ano ba yung pag sinabing strong, ano ba yun? How can you convey strength? Okay, paano ka pipiliin? Kasi di ba nga, attraction is what they choose. So, ano ba yung pinipili nila? Ano yung tinitingnan nilang signals or cues that this guy is attractive? Okay, ano ba yung attractive sa kanila? So, ang attractive sa kanila is yung tinatawag nating strength. If you're a guy who looks strong and behaves strong, they will be sexually attractive to you. Kasi again nga, natural selection. Sino dito, sino among sa mga options ko ang makakapag-enhance sa akin ng ability to survive and to procreate? Again, female favors those men. So if you're a guy who looks strong and behaves strong, then a lot of girls will be attracted to you. So when it comes to looks, paano ba mako-convey yung strength? Paano ka makakapag ng strength? How will you convey strength? Basically, it's about your fitness, your face value, your hair, your fashion, your height, and your smell. So yan, again, when it comes to standards, beauty standards, wag na natin pansinin yon because you can still, kahit na mababa yung face value mo, kahit na mababa, hindi ka pinagpala sa height, sabihin natin 5'6" ka lang, katulad ko, you can always do something to increase your looks, to improve your looks. So you can start building. Ito yung mga pwede mong kontrolin. Kasi itong face value, sa jeans mo na yan eh, tsaka yung height mo sa jeans mo na yan, di na natin control yan. Pero what you can control is your fitness, your hairstyle, your fashion, and your smell. Because looks, mahalaga yung looks because of first impression. Okay? Yan yung palang pagkakita pa lang sa'yo, ay, this guy, parang meron sa lalaking to. So you want to convey strength the way you look, the way you present yourself. Next, your behaviors. Sa behaviors, 3 C lang yan. You want to be competent, you want to be confident, and consistent. Competent, ibig sabihin, meron kang skills, meron kang talents, meron kang purpose, kumbaga, magaling ka sa ginagawa mo, magaling ka sa career mo. Yan, competent ang ibig sabihin nun. And then confident, yun yung ability mo to show your talents, your skills. How confident are you sa sarili mo? Kumbaga, kahit na competent ka, kahit na magaling ka sa isang bagay pero hindi ka confident, hindi ka confident ipakita yun sa madla, then wala din yung competent mo. And lastly, consistent. Kailangan consistent ka, syempre. Consistent ka sa pagiging competent mo, consistent ka sa pagiging confident mo. Kasi never mo mapepeke yan. These behaviors, never mo mapepeke. Kasi kung hindi ka consistent, ibig sabihin, most likely pinipeke mo lang. So that's why consistency is very important. Itong consistency is about gaano ka consistent, maging competent, and maging confident. This is not about gaano ka consistent sa kanya. Okay? This is about how consistent are you on showing up with strength. So that's why importante itong 3 to. Hindi pwedeng kulang yung isa, hindi pwedeng isa lang, hindi pwedeng 2 lang. So ibig sabihin, strength is about how masculine you look and behave. So, di ba kayo nagtataka ito, tulad nila Flo G tsaka ni Pastillas Girl? Si Flo G ba mataas yung face value, like artistahin? Hindi naman, di ba? Yung height ba niya, sobrang tangkad ba niya? Hindi. Pero feel ko nga, mas matangkad pa nga si Pastillas Girl sa kanya or same height lang sila eh. However, ang lakas ng dating niya. He's very competent. Kung nasan siya ngayon, sobrang galing niya mag-rap. Very confident. Sobrang galing niya dalhin yung sarili niya and it's very consistent. Kumbaga, consistent siya sa pagiging competent and very confident niya. So, yun yung tinatawag natin na lakas ng dating. So, kahit wala kang face value, kahit di ka pinagpala sa height, pero kung in-improve mo yung other things that you can control, just like your fitness, your hair, your fashion, your smell, your behavior, then lalakas yung dating mo. And yung lakas ng dating na yun, ang tinatawag kong big stick energy. Meron kang big stick. Malaki yung stick mo, man. Meron kang ganun. Yun yung lakas ng dating, yung charisma. Kapag naglakad ka, kayang-kaya mo yung dalhin yung sarili mo. Parang laki ng titi mo, ganun, man. So, when you have a big stick, meron kang big stick energy, meron ka ngayon superpower. Okay? And with great power comes from great responsibility. So, ibig sabihin, kapag meron kang superpower, Pwede kang maging superhero na gagamitin mo yung superpower mo sa mabuti to make your place or your environment safe, or pwede kang maging villain para gamitin sa masama at manggulo lang ng buhay. So that's why, balik tayo sa truth table natin, is this guy. So andito ka na ngayon. So andito ka na, you are making women choose you kasi nga may one ka na. May one ka na sa attraction. So it's either magiging villain ka, this guy, or magiging superhero ka, just like this guy. So okay na tayo sa attraction. Doon na tayo sa what will make her stay or what will make her obsessed with you. So, security 101. Kung ang attraction, again, if ang attraction will make her choose you, security will make her stay. Okay, that will make her obsessed with you. So when it comes to security, this is how safe are you that you will use your big stick, your power, for her and not to her. Kung gagamitin mo yung big stick mo hindi para saktan siya, okay? Hindi para maging villain, para hindi sirain yung buhay niya. So, how safe are you that you will use it for her? How you will use it for good, for you and for her own good. And this one will make her stay. Okay? And also, security is how open are you to share your value with her. O how open are you to, kumbaga, ito na yung mga nice things. Ito na yung mga good things na ginagawa mo. So basically, sa security, tatlo lang yan. Tatlong I's. Investments, intimacy, and your image. Kumbaga, these things, ito yung mga I's na to will make her feel safe with you. Again, if gaano ka-open i-share yung time mo, if quality time, mabibigyan mo siya ng quality time. Again, these are the nice things that you can do for her. So, yung energy mo, gaano ka willing mag-spend ng energy with her, bigyan siya ng attention, pinipraise mo ba siya, sinasabihan mo ba siya ng maganda, are you willing to invest your money, kumbaga para magkaroon ngayon ng dates, bigyan siya ng gifts, maganyan. Also next, intimacy. How safe does she feel around you, around intimacy? Kung safe ba mag-emotional bond sa'yo, safe ba siya? If loyal ka ba, committed ka ba, kasi mamaya, iwan mo na lang siya sa tabi with other girls kung meron ka bang self-control. Kumbaga, it's all about her safety. And lastly, her image. How she looks with you. Kasi nga, for example, scammer ka. Kapag kunwari, scammer ka, tapos asawa mo siya, di ba? Parang dalawa na kayong scammer, madadamay siya. Kasi again, your image will affect hers. So, kung gaano siya ka-safe na makita with you. So, yun. So, are you reliable? Are you respected? So, yun lang when it comes to security. Basically, these are the nice things you do. So, ibig sabihin, you just need to improve your strength, make your stick big, in order for you to attract women. Okay. So, strength is what makes them attracted to you. Strength is what will make them choose you. So, magagawa mo yon if you make your big stick. If you make your stick big pala. If you make your stick big. And security, again, security, this will make her stay. So, once you attracted them, this will make her stay. So, if you want to make her stay, be a positive impact. Be good. So, ang gagawin mo lang, you need to be, pagsasamahin mo lang to, you need to be in a superhero journey. So, if you want to attract women and make her obsessed with you, be on a superhero journey. Improve yourself, make your stick big, and be a positive impact. So that's how you naturally attract and make her obsessed with you. So, if na-enjoy mo tong video na to, please join my exclusive newsletter. Libre lang, nasa link sa bio ko. And I will give you daily insights there on personal development and dating. I'm very certain na ito lang yung pinakaunang personal development approach na dating and relationship channel and also newsletter sa buong Pinas. So, if you're a guy who's looking to improve himself and also improve his dating and relationship, you found the guy. So if you want to know more, join my exclusive newsletter. Nagbibigay ako ng daily insights dyan, and also nagbebenta rin ako ng mga courses, workshop, community access that will speed up your improvement para maging eto ka na, boy. Ito yung goal natin, maging eto. Ang tawag ko dyan is the romantic gentleman. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Let's go!